dive into the water world with Leo's Puff Buddies. Let's explore the depths of the ocean and give each water animal a big splash. With Leo leading the way, first comes a fish. It's a fish. It's a fish. Splash. Bye-bye, fish. See you later. Next in line is an octopus. Wow! It's an octopus. It's an octopus. Octopus. 1, 2, 3. Splash! Bye-bye, octopus. See you later. Now it's time for a green frog. Rabbit, rabbit. It's a frog. It's a frog. Splash. Bye-bye, frog. See you later. And here is a dolphin. It's a dolphin. It's a dolphin. Let's give him a great splash. Splash. Bye-bye, dolphin. See you later. Now it's time for the seal. It's a seal. It's a seal. Splash! Bye-bye, seal. See you later. Now it's time for the starfish. It's a red starfish. It's a starfish. It's a starfish. Splash! Bye-bye, starfish. See you later. And here comes a whale. It's a whale. It's a whale. 1, 2, 3. Splash! Bye-bye, whale. See you later. Next in line is a shark. It's a shark. It's a baby shark. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark. Splash! Bye bye, baby shark. See you later. Next in line is pelican. It's a pelican. It's a pelican. 1, 2, 3. splash! Bye bye, pelican. See you later. And now it's alligator. Wow! Alligator. It's an alligator. 1, 2, 3, splash! Bye bye, alligator. See you later. Next in line is a yellow duck. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. It's a duck. It's a duck. Let's give him a great splash. 1, 2, 3, splash! Bye bye, yellow duck. See you later. 5 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. Four little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. Three little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. Two little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. One little duck went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but none of the 5 little ducks came back. Said Mother duck went out one day over the hill and far away. Said Mother duck said quack, 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 and all of the 5 little ducks came back.